Alright, so in today's video I want to talk about smart mockups in Canva. To get to the smart mockups tool, you go under tools here and then at the bottom it will say smart mockup. You will then be brought to this page which will list different types of mockups for you. In today's video I'm going to be doing a desktop mockup, but there's also print, packaging, apparel, and home and living. I personally think mockups are really good when you're trying to sell a product or putting things in your portfolio. So that's what I used this for previously. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and click on desktop here. And then I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Another thing to keep in mind when you're using mockup templates from Canva is that some of them are going to be available for pro users only. If you would like to check out Canva Pro, there is an affiliate link of mine in the description. And be aware of the type of license that these mockups have. For instance, this one is a one design use license. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get started and hit select. I'm going to go ahead and mock up a thumbnail that I previously designed, and then we can see that it just took my design and placed it directly into the mockup, which is awesome. You can always adjust your image by hitting adjust image over here, and you can change how it's fitting in the mockup because sometimes it doesn't quite work right. Luckily, in this case, it did. Now, one thing I'm going to recommend is try not to use stretch if possible because that's going to distort your design most of the time. Otherwise, fill and fit usually work. You can also drag your design around. Didn't really need to in this case, but you can do that. You can also change the alignment. You can flip it. Obviously, I don't need to do that here or we're not going to be able to read it. So once I'm happy with my design, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And what's really cool is when you click save mockup, you have two options. So you can use your design in another design or you can just download it. I believe it's going to download as a JPEG. But if you click use in design, it's going to let you pick a design size. So if I want to do an Instagram post with this specific mockup and I click that, it's just going to import my mockup that I just created directly into my design, which makes it a lot faster and easier. If you guys have any questions you would like me to answer in a future video, please leave me a comment below. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!